This shows a team manager, for example, that his team has fully understood the concepts.
Yes.
It can also be used by individuals who want to boost their career or change careers.
You work with individuals too?
Yes.
Even if most of your customers are medium-sized or large companies?
Yes, but there are also some individuals. We offer solutions such as self-paced training, including pre-recorded courses. And on several occasions, I've had individuals thank me because it helped them land a new job, a new position, or sometimes even change fields and come to asset management. For me, it's always a great success when that happens.
Yes, because your support is very personalized. Workshops are put in place.
Indeed, all our training courses include tools, methods, and concepts, as well as workshops. In fact, the aim is really to pass on know-how, not just theory and tools, but actual know-how. And to pass on this know-how, workshops need to be applied to the customer's operational context.
Courses are adapted to each individual.
It's custom-made, yes. Then there's coaching for corporate and plant solutions. Coaching is all about passing on the know-how. My aim is to help industrials develop a method, implement it, and make it their own, then reproduce it in other parts of the plant or even in other plants, thereby contributing to the company's overall performance.